Reconnecting with a long-lost friend can bring back good memories, renew a meaningful bond, and even open up new personal or professional opportunities. With modern tools and a few key details, it is often easier than you think to track someone down. By taking a few focused steps, you can greatly improve your chances of finding your friend and rebuilding the relationship. Gathering details. Make sure you know their full name, including middle name if possible. Unusual names are easier to search, while very common ones can bring up many results. Keep in mind your friend may have changed their name, especially women who might have taken a married last name. Including a middle name in your search can help narrow things down and make it more likely you find the right person. Try to remember as many personal details as you can. Think about how you knew them: school, work, military, what job they had, and the names of mutual friends or family members. You might be able to reach them through someone in their circle. If you still have an old phone number, you can use a reverse phone lookup to see if it is linked to their name, which can save time if it works. Start with the last place you know they lived or spent time. The more specific you can be, the better. If you can connect them to a particular job, school, or religious organization in that area, it will help narrow your search. Searching online. Use a search engine and be as specific as possible. Enter their full name along with details like hometown, job, or college to narrow results. You can also try people search tools that scan public records and social media, which may turn up dings like employment info, profiles, or news mentions. Just keep in mind, these services do not always have complete or up-to-date information, so you might not find everything you're looking for. Try searching for them on social media. Sites like Facebook, LinkedIn, and X can be very useful. On Facebook, you can search by name, school, university, hometown, or current city, and even look through groups for old classes or clubs. If you think you have found the right person, send a message, mention how you know them, and ask if you can add them as a friend. Use networking sites designed to reconnect people. Classmates.com can help you find old school, college, or military friends. Friends Reunited focuses mainly on the UK and some other countries, and lets you search by shared schools, workplaces, or clubs. Batchmates, based in India with worldwide members, lets you search by name, institute, or company and contact people once you find them. And searching in person. Try finding your friend through their family members. If you remember a parent's or sibling's name, especially if it's unusual, search for them instead. This can be very helpful if you knew your friend as a child, since you may remember more details about their parents' jobs, community roles, or social groups. Find them through mutual friends. Someone you both know, even a casual Facebook contact, may still be in touch and able to help you reconnect. Check old workplaces, schools, and alumni records. Ask a former employer you know if they can pass along a message or update you on your friend's whereabouts. Most won't share personal details directly. Use your high school or college alumni directory or contact the school about reunion lists. If you shared a fraternity, sorority, or service organization, log in to their alumni directory or ask the national office for access so you can look your friend up. Access public records to look for marriages, name changes, deaths, or even prison records. You'll need their full name and ideally a hometown. In the US, you can start with the National Center for Health Statistics. Elsewhere, check your local government's health or vital records office. If you still can't find anything, it may be because your friend doesn't want to be found or has passed away. In that case, sites like Family Search or Tributes can sometimes help you locate a death record or obituary. Thanks for watching.